Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12R. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can check your recent files, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Then you can check your collections and internal storage of the phone. Next, you can go to Nearby Share function to quickly send and receive files. Then you can go to Clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to Recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.